Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going into an incredible topic, baking soda. From a humble kitchen staple to an amazing health booster, baking soda's versatility is simply mind-blowing. Most of us have a box tucked away in a pantry, but did you know it can do so much more than just fluff up your pancakes? In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful health benefits of baking soda that can truly transform your life. Stay tuned because you might just discover a new home remedy or a tip that can make a real difference for you and your loved ones. Hey everyone, it's great to have you here. I'm so excited to share this topic with you because I know how much of a game changer it can be. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has been used for centuries, and for good reason. Whether it's calming an upset stomach, freshening breath, or even boosting your exercise performance, this everyday product packs some serious power. We're going to break it down in easy, practical steps, so you can start making the most of it today. Grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's uncover these health secrets together. Let's start with an instant payoff you'll love, heartburn relief. That burning sensation in your chest after a heavy meal. Baking soda can help. Just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, stir well, and sip slowly. Because it's a natural antacid, it helps neutralize stomach acid and bring quick comfort. While this is great for occasional relief, remember, it's best not to overdo it. If you're experiencing frequent heartburn, definitely check in with a doctor. But for those one-off spicy meals or holiday feasts, this quick trick can save your evening. Let's take a closer look at how baking soda actually works. Chemically speaking, baking soda is a compound called sodium bicarbonate. When it meets something acidic, like stomach acid, it reacts to form carbon dioxide, water, and salt. This fizzing reaction is what neutralizes that excess acid, giving you relief from heartburn. It's the same reason baking soda helps dough rise in baking. It's all about balance. Our bodies rely on delicate pH levels, and baking soda is like a natural helper to restore calm when things get a bit too acidic. So now you know how it helps with heartburn, but here's the exciting part, that's just the beginning. Baking soda's health perks go way beyond calming your tummy. Ever thought it could help with your skin, your teeth, or even your workouts? Trust me, there are some unexpected and impressive uses you don't want to miss. In fact, the next one is something most people overlook, but it can make a huge difference in your daily life. Curious? Let's jump in and unlock the full potential of this powerful powder. 1. Oral health. Let's start with your smile. Baking soda is a gentle yet effective way to whiten teeth and freshen breath. Unlike harsh commercial toothpastes, its mild abrasiveness helps scrub away stains without damaging enamel. Plus, it neutralizes acids that lead to bad breath and cavities. To try it, just dip a damp toothbrush in a little baking soda once or twice a week. You'll notice your teeth looking brighter and your mouth feeling fresher. It's a simple, budget-friendly trick that can really boost your dental hygiene. 2. Skin care. Next up, let's talk skin. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant. It can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. If you're dealing with insect bites, a baking soda paste, just a little water and powder, can soothe itching and reduce swelling. But remember, baking soda can be drying, so limit this to once or twice a week and always moisturize afterward. Your skin will thank you. 3. Athletic performance. Here's one for the athletes or anyone who loves to work out. Baking soda may help delay muscle fatigue during intense exercise. It does this by buffering lactic acid, which can build up and make your muscles feel tired. Some athletes take a small dose before high-intensity workouts to help push through those last few reps. Of course, it's essential to talk to your doctor before trying it as a supplement. Everyone's body is different, and safety comes first. 4. Kidney health. This one's a bit more serious but so important. Research suggests that baking soda can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by balancing blood acidity. While it's promising, never self-treat, always follow your healthcare provider's advice. For people already dealing with kidney issues, this might be a valuable tool under medical supervision. 5. UTIs. Did you know baking soda may help ease the discomfort of urinary tract infections? Its alkalizing effect can make urine less acidic, helping soothe burning sensations. However, it's no replacement for antibiotics. If you suspect a UTI, see your doctor first. But as a temporary helper, a mild baking soda solution can offer a bit of relief. 6. Digestive health. Bloating and gas after a meal. Baking soda can help here, too. A small dose can aid digestion by balancing stomach acidity. But moderation is key. Too much can disrupt the natural balance and cause more problems. Use it occasionally and pair it with healthy eating for best results. 7. Cold and sore throat relief. Feeling that scratchy, dry throat during a cold? A warm baking soda gargle can help. Mix half a teaspoon in warm water and gently gargle. It can kill bacteria and soothe discomfort. This simple remedy can be a comforting part of your cold care toolkit. 8. Cancer treatment support. There's emerging research showing that baking soda may help cancer treatments by changing tumor acidity, making them more effective. But this is still early science. Never use it on your own without your doctor's direction. It's a fascinating area that shows just how powerful simple compounds like baking soda can be. 9. Gout and joint pain. Finally, for anyone with gout or joint pain, baking soda may help neutralize uric acid and ease inflammation. But again, check with a doctor before adding it to your routine. Safety is always the priority. 10. Natural deodorant. Let's not forget this final benefit: baking soda as a natural deodorant. Baking soda's antibacterial properties help neutralize odor-causing bacteria, keeping you feeling fresh without harsh chemicals. It's as easy as mixing a pinch of baking soda with a bit of coconut oil to create a DIY deodorant paste. Just apply a thin layer to your underarms, and you're good to go. If you're looking to reduce your exposure to synthetic fragrances or aluminum-based antiperspirants, this natural alternative might be just what you need. However, some people can be sensitive to baking soda, so start with a small amount and adjust as needed for happy, healthy skin. And there you have it, 10 amazing ways baking soda can benefit your health. From calming indigestion to brightening your smile and even helping you stay fresh all day long, this humble powder packs a powerful punch. Always use baking soda with care, less is more, and consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns or medical conditions. Ready to give these tips a try? Let us know how it goes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who'd love these tips. Drop your favorite baking soda hack in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.